doing an unboxing video for some Porcellio Scabber Orange Dalmatian that I purchased off of eBay. I've never received a box like this before. The seller punched a bunch of holes in the box, which basically, ruined the integrity, the structural integrity of the box, and it allowed it to be smashed. So we're going to open it up and see if the Isopods are okay, if they're alive. Certainly not one of the better packing jobs I've seen. They're all crooked in here. The thing did get smashed down. There was no paper on top of them at all. But I see something moving around, so let's see. And I see some, I don't know. I see some people moving around in here, but all of this is, whatever he put in here is all slid to one side and all kind of jammed up in here, and I don't know if these guys up top here are alive or not because I don't see them moving. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off and see what we've got. Okay, well, there's some running around in the top there. Now I gotta go digging, it looks like. So there's supposed to be, oh, good thing I put it in this other box because they're trying to escape. They're supposed to be 30 plus. So we'll see. Put it on pause again. That was a rather painstaking operation. I think I've got 30 here, including 3 that fell into the box when I emptied the container. It was a painstaking operation because he had substrate in there, and I found Menkai. So I, of course, just, dumped. I fished out all these guys that I could find, the bigger ones. I missed 2 or 3 of them. So they already went down in here. And that's their substrate in there as best as I could do. And this is their box. It's a 20 quart. And I set it up the way I set up my Zebra Lotto mix box. So it's deeper here at one end, and then gradually goes down to a shallower end. This end is going to be the dry side. So I've got more ventilation holes on the sides there. And we have all the usual suspects. I put in extra bark. I've got more bark in here than I have in the others. I've got an oak slab piece of bark here. This piece, so everything's kind of set up a little bit differently. I did the same thing that I did with the zebras. I took a piece of bark and put moss on it. I made sort of a cave. Alrighty. Got their food down there. There goes one of them. That's one of the ones that I had gotten in there before. So let's dump all these doodle bugs in there. Okay, I think that's all. One of them already went into the cave. These guys are fast. Well, hopefully they'll do all right in there, and this side over here will dry out. Faster. Oh, they've already found this side. Did you already find this side, little person? Well, I dumped the Mankay. I never know how to pronounce that. Mankay or Mankay? Mankay. I don't know. Whatever they are. The baby isopods. I dumped them on the moister side. So hopefully they'll dig in. But I'll uncover this side a bit and let it dry out more.